no fair outcome would emanate from the investigations of this committee. That is our fair assertion, owing to, as has been said by Honorable Vice Chair, that this is a matter that has brought about a lot of media and national attention. And fortunately or unfortunately, from the highest office, we are aware of what the highest office has equally added into the conversation around the sitting of the petitions before the 4 commissioners. It is, again, why we still thought it best to raise all the issues that we have raised before the committee. And it is not in an attempt to forestall perhaps the inevitable, or perhaps in an attempt to look like we are bidding for time. It is just what we thought was the right procedure under law and as defense counsel, that it was always best to be armed with all the best information within your reach that would enable you to adequately defend a party. So we still feel that in the absence of provision of the material that we have sought, would be unable to commit ourselves to the hearing of today. And if, again, it comes to bear that the committee would not be in a position to help us acquire the documentation that we want, then would be constrained to say that we would not be able to proceed henceforth before the committee. I believe that would answer the Honorable Chair's sentiments on what we would want from the committee. Thank you.